Good evening, this moment, and welcome to Mathematics Genius. Here we are required to solve for x in root x plus root x equals to x. According to operations with solve, root x plus root x will give you 2 root x, and you bring down this sign. We are going to divide both sides by 2. If you divide here by 2, 2 will cancel 2, and you see that root x is now equals to x over 2. When you get to this extent, what you have to do is to spare both sides so that this radical sign will be eliminated. So what we have is root x all raised to power 2 is equals to x over 2 all raised to power 2. So when you must have squared this root x, this sign will go off, and what you have in this context is now x is now equals to x raised to power 2, because x raised to power 2 here is x raised to power 2, and 2 raised to power 2 here is 4. 2 raised to power 2 means 2 times 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. So in the case of this, you are going to cross multiply. We have natural 1 as the denominator. If you say x raised to power 2 multiplied by 1 will give you x raised to power 2 is now equals to x multiplied by 4 will give you 4x. So here what we have like this now is x raised to power 2. This 4x will go over to this place. We have minus 4x is now equals to 0, because when this 4x leaves this place, what that remains here is equals to 0. So we are going to factorize the left hand side. If you factorize the left hand side, you have x open bracket x minus 4 is now equals to 0. So if you use this x to remove this bracket, you will still get x raised to power 2 minus 4x. That is by saying x multiplied by x will give you this, x multiplied by this will give you minus 4x. So we have now softened what we are solving. So finally, in this process, x is equals to 0, or x minus 4 is equals to 0. X is now equals to 0 plus 4, and x is equals to 4. So in this context, the actual value of x is equals to 4. So thank you for joining me this moment. Always have a nice day, and remember that Mathematics Genius will give you a solidified insight about mathematics in all you are doing. Thank you for joining me, and have a nice day. Thank you.